Here we go again. Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday,
Sunday.
Sunday.
Round and round we on repeat. Round and round can't beat. Week
On repeat, round around, same old spin, but different sound. Week on repeat, up and down. I spin out a bit, then I'm back around.
hey.
Monday face, coffee strong, telling myself it won't be long. Tuesday feels like Monday's twin, still not sure where I've been. Emails fly, brain on slow, half awake, but still I go. Counting days without a plan, getting through the best I